Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out the Generation 2 brand new Blink Video Doorbell. Okay, so in the house and on the channel we've covered many Blink products, such as cameras like this, the Generation 1 or the version 1 of the Blink Video Doorbell, mini cameras and more. Love the products, love the ecosystem, we've been using it for many years now. We use it as our security system, as our CCTV system, the main one in the house with cameras dotted everywhere. So the Gen 1 Video Doorbell, we've had no problems with whatsoever. We did a video on that previously of the installation. We did a second video on the Gen 1 Video Doorbell as well, and that was around the actual camera fogging up. We got it replaced by Amazon. Amazon did replace that camera. I'll link below in the description and up here somewhere to those videos if you want to check those out. But in this video today, we're looking at the brand new Gen 2 Blink Video Doorbell. New features, new capabilities, brand new design. So really looking forward to getting my hands on this and installing it on the house. So the original Gen 1 Video Doorbell, as I say, no problems whatsoever. It's lasted a long time. I think though, compared to other video doorbells on the market, it was lacking a little bit in terms of that real wow factor. It kind of did a job and it was really good at it, but things like the Ring doorbell and others out there, oof it, they're a new video doorbell as well. There's just certain features included in those which seem to be a little bit more popular. So hopefully with this video doorbell, Blink can compete with those other brands maybe. So for me, I've stuck with Blink all the way through, add it to the ecosystem, and this is no exception. So in the video, we're going to cover a quick unboxing here on the table. I'll check out the product, show it off, get some close-ups of it, and then we'll do a basic, easy installation just on the porch in our garden. A couple of features that it mentions on the actual box of this. We've got a 2-year battery life, so it'll run for up to 2 years with 3 AA lithium batteries. From memory, I think the version 1 was 2 batteries rather than 3, but this is 3. And there's a sync module as well, which is included in the actual box, which is great. So this may require a newer sync module rather than the old ones, but we'll see, we'll get that set up. It does say on the box here, set up in minutes and used for years to get the 2 years battery life out of it. Got head-to-toe HD view, so it's giving more of a portrait view of your doorbell rather than landscape. The Blink Video Doorbell, the version 1, was more of a landscape view, so you didn't get that head-to-toe. So hopefully that will be really good on this. And it's a 150-degree field of view. It also mentions some smart notifications, access a variety of advanced features, such as person detection. I think that does require the optional Blink subscription plan. Yes, it does, which is sold separately, so you can sign up to that for more features. But the basic stuff included with the product should be absolutely fine. So let's get inside the box and check out the doorbell. Okay, so we'll just zoom in on this here. You can see we've got the Blink module. So the module itself is a different design to the original module, a little bit more modern looking. The old ones do look a little bit boxy, not that modern. That looks much more professional, nice matte finish to it as well. And then we've got the doorbell itself just in here. So first impressions, and I will try and do a side-by-side at some point just to show this off, but it's a very, very similar size. It's maybe a little bit thicker and a little bit wider, and the actual layout is obviously different, but essentially we've got a button on there for the doorbell, we've got a camera, so looking great. On the back there, you can see a few things going on. I assume there, the clip, that's where the batteries will go in. Yep, so 3 AA lithium batteries into the back of there. I will mention before, I will get some close-ups of this in a moment. So that's the actual doorbell, that's a Blink module. There's obviously some kind of fitting we need to fit this onto, which will hopefully be in the box. Let's check that out now. Okay, so we've got what looks like a couple of templates. We've got some wires. We've got a user manual. We have got a plug and a USB cable, which I assume will be for the sync module. And then we do have the backing plates here. So it looks like we do have 2 options. We've got a flat backing plate. So for our system, which I'll show you in a moment, we will just be mounting this on a flat system. So it does come with a mount system included in the box. If you need to put that in a doorway or a porch area where you need to put a tilt to it, that's great that it comes included. On a previous one, another doorbells, I don't think they come, but there you go, that's all there. So you would obviously mount that to the door and then put this one onto the side of it there, so you've got the angle. We won't be using that, we're just using the flat one. So I'll have a read through the instructions now, we'll get some close-ups of what's included in the box, and then we'll head out into the actual garden to the porch, and we'll get the doorbell installed and the old one swapped out for this new one. Okay, hopefully you saw this close-ups there, the actual doorbell and everything that comes with it. I didn't mention on the previous bit, but just a couple other bits. There's hardware included, which will include screws, plugs, etc. needed for this. There is some wires included, so you can install this and connect it to an existing doorbell system for a chime, for example. That's all included, and it does go through that in the instructions as well. We've also got this element here, which is the removal tool. So with the doorbell, once it's on that mount system, you use the little pin system just to push into there, just to remove the doorbell. And I don't think I may have mentioned, but I didn't show it, I don't think, but this is the included 3 lithium batteries there. So we've got the Energizer Ultimate Lithium AA batteries, 3 of them included, ready to install inside the camera. Couple of screws there. So that's everything. I just forgot to mention that. So that's everything now in the box, out on here. We're going to go install it in the porch, so I'll see you outside. Okay, so first up, we're going to look at the Blink module. We're going to power this up using USB. So the USB Type-C port in the actual Blink module, and a USB cable comes included. So you need to power the module up. I do have older modules, but I'm going to use the new one just to show this in action. I'm going to put it in the sitting room in here, plugged into a USB port, ready to go, and we can get into the actual Blink application and show adding that. As you can see here, we've got the old Blink Video Doorbell set up on the actual porch. We're going to remove that from here now. So now you can see we've got the new camera, or the actual camera plate anyway, mounted onto the actual porch. See the black plate there, ready for the actual camera to be installed. So we're going to pop the actual batteries that come included into the camera, and then we're going to get it added to the Blink application. So we'll go onto the Blink application and add the camera. Okay, so now you can see we're going to add the actual camera, or the video doorbell, sorry, onto the actual back plate. So that just clips on, secured on there. And as I mentioned, you do use that removal tool to be able to remove it with the little clip underneath the actual video doorbell. So that's the actual doorbell fitted onto the mount system, ready to use. So we'll give that a bit of a test now and see if we can show that off in action. Okay, all done now with the brand new Blink Video Doorbell, the Gen 2 version of this video doorbell. As you can see, the installation really simple to do. The Blink app is really easy to use, and the actual camera, or the video doorbell, sorry, was really easy to install, just on that back plate, clipping things in. With experience of the old doorbell, the battery life has been really good. I don't think I've replaced it within 2 years, definitely not within 2 years. All the cameras for the Blink system are really good in terms of the ones that are battery powered. Obviously, some of them are wired in. So this video doorbell and some of the cameras are actually battery powered. So we'll see what the battery life like is with this doorbell. I will do a follow-up review at some point just to cover off what it's been like compared to the version of the Gen 1 video doorbell. So this video's all done now, a basic unboxing, a basic installation, and that's what it is, basics, really simple to do, really easy to do, no messing around, no wires, obviously because it's wireless, but you can wire it into a doorbell system if you want to do that, but for us, really easy to do. As I mentioned, we'll see how the actual video doorbell does, we will do a follow-up review at some point, just to compare that with of the existing Gen 1 video doorbell. But for now, we are done on this video, so if you've liked the video or it's been informative, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you've got any questions about the actual video doorbell, about my setup, about the setup, anything to cover in a future video, anything you want me to look at in terms of comparison, drop that into the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments in that comment section. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, unboxings, giveaways, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.